oh, mag-a-apply ka sa BPO pero hindi ka pa ready at wala kang idea about mock call. So, eto, I'm gonna tell you what mock call is. So, in layman's term, mock call is like a role play wherein si interviewer is magpapanggap as a customer tapos ikaw si agent and you need to know kahit slight lang na basic call flow. Ang common dyan is first, opening spiel. Gumawa ka lang ng sarili mong company if ever walang pre-provide sa'yo na script. Like, context lang yung binigay or scenario lang yung binigay ni interviewer. So, it's like this. A common one is, thank you for calling ABC Company. This is, insert your name. Example, this is Claire. How may I assist you today? Or how may I help you today? O dapat talaga merong word na help and assist. Ganon. Or how may I serve you today? O, it depends on you. But usually help and assist talaga yung pinaka-common. Next one is you let the customer tell the concern or you let the interviewer tell the concern. Oh, ito yung concern. I just wanted to make a plan renewal. O, ganun. Or make a payment. Ganon. Tapos, mag-a-assurance of how ka sure. I can definitely assist you with your concern. Or, pwede mong specific, sure, I can definitely assist you when it comes to renewing your plan. Ganon. So, take note, yung binibigay ko sa'yo na example is for telco account. You can just paraphrase it depende sa account na ina-applyan mo. Next one on that one is you need to do like validation. Ganon. The most common type of validation na pwede mong itanong sa customer is yung complete name and email address or account number or yung mailing address na yung bahay nila, address ng bahay, ganun. And then after that one, sasabihin mo sa kanya na let's say na expired na pala yung plan niya. So I saw it here. I just pulled up your account. Your plan just expired 2 days ago and would you like to renew with the same plan? Let's say yung same plan na pinurchase ni customer is 1 month, 5 gigabyte. Tapos sasabihin niya, no, I don't want to renew with the same plan. I want to upgrade to 3 months unlimited. So sasabihin mo, okay, sure, I can help you with that one. So the 3 months unlimited plan is gumawa ka lang ng sarili mong, presyo. Let's say, $30 with government taxes and fees, a total of $35.60. Ganon. So would you like me to proceed in making the payment? Would you permit me to make the payment for you? Ganon. Tapos sasabihin niya, yes, please proceed. So, usually sa amin, sa telco account, tinatanong pa namin kung ano ba yung last 4 digit ng card na gagamitin. Kasi minsan, ang gusto pala nila is ibang card yung gagamitin. And then, let's say, sasabihin mo, okay, could you validate to me the last 4 digit of the card on file? Tapos, sasabihin nila, 4566, ganon. So, proceed na kayo. Alright, I have successfully made a payment and you can now use your calls, text, and unlimited data. Tapos, mag-offer ka ng further assistance. Would there be anything else that I can assist you with today? Ganon. Tapos, sasabihin na, yes, I have another concern. O, ganon. Tapos, ganun pa din yung flow. Pero usually, sasabihin nila na, okay, none so far, that would be all for now. And then, mag-closing spiel ka na, sasabihin mo, alright, once again, thank you for calling ABC Company. This is Claire, greeting you a wonderful day ahead of you. Bye for now, take care, and stay safe. Ganon. Ganon lang yun. Again, opening spiel, then, after the opening spiel, let the customer tell the concern. After that one is, mag-validation ka, get the complete name and the email address on file, then proceed. Mag-discovery question ka na or probing question. Like, let's say, what I have heard a while ago, you just wanted to make a payment. Ganon. Usually clarifying questions yan. Pero discovery question is pwedeng, di ba, yung sa US is merong mga application. Kung telco ako, parang same din sa atin na pwedeng magbayad gamit yung Converge na app, pwedeng magbayad using the Sky application or PLDT application, ganyan. Tapos, pwede ko ma-discovery question kasi magpo-promote ka talaga ng SSO or self-service option. Kasi anong silbi ng application ng company nyo kung hindi mo siya tuturuan? Gets ko naman na trabaho talaga natin yung tumawag na nga, ganun. Pero sometimes you need to really tawag dito, like, educate mo si customer kung paano siya gagamitin para hindi naman na ma-defeat yung purpose ng application, be. Ganon. So, pero kapag ayaw niya naman yun, sige, proceed na lang kayo. Ganon. Basta usually sa amin, pinopromote talaga namin yung SSO. Ganon. Or self-service option. Kasi minsan, yun din yung concern nila. Kasi minsan ayaw nilang tumawag sa customer service nang dahil sa queuing or matagal silang makakuha ng live agent. Ganon. So, after doing discovery questions or probing questions, usually, ang end na namin yan is nag-offer na ng further assistance, yung sinabi ko sa inyo. Then lastly is the closing spiel. Ganun lang kasimple. And please don't overthink since lalo na kapag newbie ka, hindi talaga sila magde-dig through about sa, tawag dito, like sa product knowledge or service knowledge kasi wala ka pang idea niya. Like, just make up anything like the price and etc. Pero kapag meron kayong script, aralan nyo yung script. Kasi sa VXI, merong script nun eh. Tapos, inaral lang namin or inaral ko lang. Tapos yun, gumagawa na ako ng sarili kong words. Ganun. And then, please do not forget to build rapport sa customer mo pala. Nakalimutan ko pala yun. Usually, ini-insert ko yung rapport kapag nakuha ko na yung like validation, like yung name and email, gaganon ako, wow, what a beautiful name. Your name is Samantha. Oh, Samantha, how's the weather there? Or, how are you doing today? Or, it's a pleasure speaking with you today, Samantha. How are you doing today? Are you feeling great? Ganon. Basta anything, bulahin mo, chikahin mo. Kapag gusto din naman niya makipag-chika. Pero kapag ayaw niya, or lalo na kapag nagmamadali, kunwari nagmamadali, huwag mo nang i-technical mo na lang. Huwag ka nang maging too friendly, ganun. Yeah. But usually, gusto talaga ng interviewer yung mag-build ka ng rapport. Ganon. Or say empathy if ever na-experience niya yung, hindi ako nakapag-make ng payment sa app kasi nagloloko yung app ko. Ganon. You just say, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I know that it's very frustrating. You just make it short and concise kasi ayaw nila yung parang too-wordy ka. Ganon. Because they're gonna train you na kapag andun ka, nakausap mo na yung mga Amerikano or mga foreign people, they want to be straight to the point. And that will be all for now and I do hope so na ma-apply mo to sa McCall mo. Bye!